This is how the car looked on the very first day it entered our garage, full of small and major problems and in serious need of restoration. We started by stripping it down completely, from plastic trims and bumpers to the seats and interior panels. Then we moved on to cleaning, using homemade solutions and simple materials. We removed years of built-up dirt and neglect. Our goal was clear: restore this 19-year-old car with the lowest possible budget and limited tools. And the challenge pushed us to get creative. After the deep cleaning, we turned our attention to the paint, and it was far from perfect. We revived the original finish, and for some panels, a complete repaint was the only option. But that still wasn't enough. The body was covered in deep scratches that required precise spot repairs. And the painting didn't stop at the body. We restored parts that most people would simply replace. And that was because we never forgot the goal: bringing this car back to life with the lowest budget possible. If you want to see the full process, you can find all the details in the playlist. But this is the result of everything we did. Let's take a look.